manager, Delano Bethel, showed us some of the unique experiences that await at Graycliff Chocolatier and Cigar Factory.
When you come to Graycliff Cigar Factory, you get premium good cigars. We offer cigar rolling, cigar and rum pairing, and you get to view actual cigars made right in your face here in Nassau, Bahamas. A lot of companies too that make cigars, they don't actually allow you to get that close to the roller, and what we do is we give you that very hands-on experience. So we get all the tobacco leaves from Nicaragua, Dominican Republic, Costa Rica, different parts around the world, and we blend it all here to make a Pacific Graycliff blend, and after that, that's how we make our cigars. It's very premium. We use only long fillers, so we use the best tobacco in the world, and I would say we make basically the best cigars in the world. So these are some of our Graycliff cigars right here. We have different strengths, different tastes. We have some with spicy finishes, some with semi-sweet finishes, like the red label and the blue label here. We even have some with a hint of dark chocolate and coffee, like the heritage label right here. If you want a strong cigar, you can try our double espresso. This one our popular ones. And then we also have the purple label, which is the most popular cigar at Graycliff. It's the Grand Cru, and this one is a mix of different tobacco as well. It's a creamy finished cigar, very smooth, medium strength. So we let you try different rums here from the island in the Bahamas, and we pair it with cigar rolling too as well. You can sit down, roll your cigar, then have rum pairing as well. Also, we pair it with our chocolates too, our Graycliff chocolates.
For more tourism updates, visit Tourism Today or Bahamas.com. I'm Michael Miller, and this is Tourism Today.